Circle in coordinate geometry. Let's have a look. The circle C has an equation. So when our equation have this form, we just have x to the power of 2 and y to the power of 2. This type of a circle will have its center at the very middle of our diagram. So at point 0, 0, and then they will be a circle. So the first thing, we have to find the center and the radius. So two things, center and the radius. So like we said, just by looking at the equation, we understand that the center is 0, 0. And the radius, what is that? So this value here, that's my radius to the power of 2. So if radius to the power of 2 equal 196, in order to find radius and eliminate that power of 2, what do? We take a square root of the other side. We put that in the calculator, we press equal, and we get 13. That's perfect. Now, the second part of this question is saying, is the point 1 and 12 on the circle of C? Give a reason for your answer. Now, when it comes to the point on the line, so it doesn't matter whether it is, like in this case, circle that is bent, or is it a bent line or straight line, curved line, any line. The point is that coordinates of any point represent x and y. So in my equation, circle, function, line, any of them, the x and y in the equation represent coordinates of every point that create that line. So like here, in this case of a circle, all the points that create this circle coordinates are represented by this x and this y. That's the reason why they are letters, because each one of them will be different. So in order to check if any point is on any line, what do? We replace x and y with the coordinates of a point. So in this case, in place of x, we put 1, so it will be 1 to the power of 2 plus, and instead of y, we put 12 to the power of 2, and that equals 169. And then we put this part in our calculator, and we get that is 145. Now, 145 do not equal 169. Therefore, no, the point is not on a circle. If I was getting the same answers on both sides of the equation, then yes, it is on the line, belong to that line. And like I'm saying, doesn't matter straight, bend, curve.